Does this look like a pepper? Looks like a pumpkin. Mini pumpkin. Cook with me. No, I'm not a chef. And yes, I am using a sleeveless because the heat wave is amazing. It's what we always asking for here in UK. We want the sun. So tonight I'm making sausages and smoky bean casserole. So first, wash your ingredients. Oh, I've already put the sausages in the air fryer. Ano ba yan? Bakit may langaw? That is what happens if you leave the windows open. Ang flies and mozzies would come inside the house. Air fry din natin siya. Maybe a bit of charcoal. Okay, next, you chop your onions and grate your garlic. Olive oil. Fry your onions. Smoked paprika. Ground cumin. Butter beans. Passata. I don't know what passata is, but I've read the ingredients. It's finely chopped tomatoes or tomato paste or sauce. Red wine stock paste. Add some water. Sugar, oh honey, salt and pepper, add the charred bell pepper, add your sausages. This is supposed to be with toasted ciabatta or garlic ciabatta bread, but somebody ate the bread. This is my baon. Bon appetitos! Tara kain!